Devastating explosion occurred at Shahid Rajah port near Bandar Abbas in southern Iran. This incident resulted in at least 46 deaths and over 1,200 injuries, making it one of the deadliest industrial accidents in recent history. The explosion took place around 12:10 p.m. local time, originating from several containers in the port's wharf area. Preliminary reports suggest that the blast may have been caused by the mishandling of hazardous materials, possibly ammonium perchlorate, a chemical used in missile propellants. Emergency services responded swiftly, deploying helicopters and firefighting teams to control the blaze. Despite their efforts, fires continued to burn for days, complicating rescue operations and causing widespread damage across the port area. Iranian President Masoud Pezeshkian visited the injured and called for a thorough investigation. While officials have not confirmed the exact cause, some reports suggest the presence of ammonium perchlorate, a chemical used in missile fuel, may have contributed to the explosion. The international community responded swiftly. Russia sent emergency aid and firefighting teams to assist Iran. The incident also coincided with renewed nuclear negotiations between Iran and the United States, adding complexity to the geopolitical landscape. This tragic event underscores the importance of stringent safety protocols, especially when handling hazardous materials. As investigations continue, the world watches closely, hoping for lessons that can prevent such disasters in the future.